Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to increase or decrease the volume of your microphone, and I will also be telling you how to fix your microphone's low volume. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go down on the right. You'll see this small logo of sound. You'll have to click on it and then you'll have to click on this arrow over here. As you can see, you'll see your devices over here. Now you'll have to go to the bottom left and you'll have to click on more volume settings. You'll come to the settings of sound. Now you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to click on more sound settings over here. Now you'll have to go to recording and then you'll have to find your microphone over here. When you find your microphone, you'll have to right click on it and then click on properties. Over here you'll have to go to levels and then you can increase or decrease the sound of your microphone. As you can see, the sound of a microphone is right now decreasing and then increasing. For some people this may be muted and that's the reason it may not be working for them. And as you can see, I can just mute my microphone from here. After increasing this volume, you can hit on apply and this should actually increase the sensitivity or the volume of your microphone. So this was the fix. For more similar videos, you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.